welcome back to Chikaria. There's rain, sunshine, rainbows, and flowers all around. What's a better way to depict spring other than a pretty rainbow umbrella? But wait, you think this doesn't look like a regular one? You're right, along with beautiful colors, this one's translucent too. But just follow my steps one by one, and soon you'll realize that it's not that complicated. Let's begin. Draw a big round dome and join the two ends with curved lines to create the opening. It's almost like an oval shape. Now divide the dome with a straight guide line at the center. Here, a blunt spoke at the top center, an inverted U. At this point, we are gonna draw the handle, a simple letter J shape. Now draw tiny circles at both the ends like this, and two more dividing this line into three equal parts. Then draw slightly curved lines from the top center to these small circles. Another one here. We're gonna do the same on the bottom line as well, but the second and the second last circles are closer to the ends, and the other two creating equal divisions. Same as before, draw curved lines from the center to join the small circles. All the curves go with the dome's outline. These little circle objects are nothing but protection from pointy ends of the umbrella's frame that run down from inside. Now start joining all the circles with low arch-like lines like this, so that the material looks nicely stretched. These are so many lines here, don't get confused. Let me make it easy for you. Let's pause for a minute. Let me explain the different parts of this drawing. So this is the front visible part of the umbrella, and this part is behind it in the background. The background part has two areas of itself again. This is the directly visible one, and this is the see-through area. To differentiate the background lines, I'm going to represent them with dotted line. The background part is divided into 5 sections by the dotted lines. Let's color them right away to avoid further confusion. I chose light purple in the center, darker purple here, light blue, teal, and red. Now take a thick black marker and do the outlines of only the front part of the umbrella. Now let's color the front part of the umbrella as well. It has 3 segments. The first one is going to be orange. Layer it with orange completely. Second, yellow and green. Now we're going to do the rest of the outlines, leaving just the see-through area. And for that, I'm going to use a marker with a finer tip, just to make it look less prominent. After the umbrella is done, for the frame, take the black marker once again, and from this point, Start drawing small straight lines in between these curved lines. Do the same thing, leaving some gap. That's it. Now diagonal lines here, here, and here. Let's color the handle and the spoke with bright yellow. Wow, it already looks translucent. To make it more prominent, I'm gonna add some shine and some reflections with a white paint marker. You can use paint as well. Here and here. One more. That's it. Here's the final look. Wow, it looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed creating this and wasn't that difficult to follow. Please do like, share and subscribe for more challenging ideas like this.